Hi, welcome to Alaska Bible College Library. My name's Noelle and I'm the librarian here. I wanted to do a quick tutorial to help you students find the journal articles that are needed for your classes and how to access them on our library website. So when you log into your Populi account and you click the library tab, you will see a links button. And when you click on that links tab, it will come up with all the resources that we have for you to do your papers with. The first and most important one that you will use is the Galaxy Theological Journal Database. And when you click on that, it will take you to a site that looks like this. There's lots of different resources and things that are available to you that you can explore. But when you're looking for a specific journal article, the way I do it, to me, that's the easiest, is you just click on the Search Journals tab, and then you type in whatever it is you're looking for, such as the Holy Spirit. And when you click on search, you're going to find all of these PDF full text articles that you can download or you can open and look at and read and cite correctly in your papers. So this is the primary resource that we have for journals, articles that you will need for your papers. But if you have a specific topic that you're interested in and want to explore it more thoroughly, or maybe from a different angle, you have some other resources available to you. One is the Open Access Digital Theological Library. This you can actually access through Google, but I just have a link on our library website just to make it easy for you. And you can also click in, say you want to look up something about the Holy Spirit, and this is going to pull up a lot of resources. So what this database is libraries around the world have uploaded their certain portions of their library to this website and made it available for free to everyone. So this has a lot of ebooks that are older that you don't have to worry about copyright. It also will have a lot of current research where professors have done their PhD dissertations or other research and published it here. So it can be a little overwhelming to weed through all the results. So you might want to narrow, and you can play around with it, narrow your search topic or what format you want to look at. So it can be very helpful, and want to just make you aware of that. And this is added to every year. Libraries are, this is the current trend in library world, is to make things open access, which means to make them available for free. So this is going to be very important for you and your studies and life. It's a good place to know where to find things that are current. Another important resource that you have available to you, actually as just being a resident of the state of Alaska, is SLED, which is the state pays for access for all its residents to access some very expensive current databases. So when you go in here, they give you all kinds of other resources, but particularly for academic research, you're going to go into the specific databases, and there's some ones that you'll probably use more than others. Academic Search Premier is a very good one if you have a topic that's not necessarily specifically theological. It can be, but anything that's in the academic world that you might be curious about, current stats or statistics on something, and articles relating to that, I would search there. And as you look down here, any of these are available to you, but some of the other ones, ERIC is a specific database related to education. So if you have an education question or you want some background in that, I would click on that. There's health, there's home improvement if you're into that, military and government, psychology specific database. And then the other one that you might want to know is the Religion and Philosophy Collection. Now this, again, is if perhaps you want an opposing point of view, this is going to cover not just Christian theological articles. It's going to be from world religions and all different viewpoints. So again, you might be looking for something specific in that, however, that you want to use as an opposing argument to the Christian argument. And so that's where that might be helpful to find something. So those are the resources that you have easily available to you as far as academic level journal articles that your professors will require for your papers. So if you have any questions or you need more help or assistance finding something, just come find me and I can more than happy to help you. Otherwise, good luck.